Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef, bacon, cabbage casserole in a Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting on my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute and it's hot. Now I'm going to add in about 2 pounds of ground beef. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. And I better enjoy this while I have it, because with all this meat shortage talk going around, I might be making some vegetarian dishes in the near future. We'll have to wait and see how things work out. Now I'm going to let my ground beef brown up in here for a few minutes. Let it start to brown. Alright guys, I have my ground beef starting to brown up. I have 8 slices of bacon here that I cut into little pieces. We're going to get that in there and start to brown that in with the ground beef. Okay, now that I let my ground beef to brown and my bacon to cook in there for a little while, I'm going to add in a cup of beef broth. I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of paprika. Okay, stirring that in. Okay, now I'm going to add in some sour cream. I'm going to put in about 4 ounces of sour cream, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys. This is a 16-ounce container, so we're going for 1/4 of it. That's looking about good right there. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead and stir that in there real quick. Okay, we're looking good, guys. Now I have a head of cabbage here that I cut into fairly large chunks, about like this. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in on top of the ground beef and the bacon. Okay, now I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on and make sure I'm on seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 3 minutes. When my 3 minutes are up, I'm going to do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, now that I released my pressure, I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir. You see my cabbage is done. It only took that 3 minutes for it to get done. Alright. Now I have some provolone cheese I'm going to put on top of here. Just going to go ahead and put a layer on top of cheese. And this will get nice and melted and cheesy in there. And guys, believe it or not, Dexter's quiet when the camera's off, but as soon as the camera goes on and he sees me standing over here, he starts to perk up. I'll get one more slice of cheese in there, guys. Alright. Now I'm going to put my air fryer lid down. I'm going to set this on broil for 5 minutes. When my 5 minutes are up, that'll be nice and golden brown and bubbly and ready to go. Alright guys, my time's up. This is done. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this out. Kind of reminds me of corned beef and cabbage. Nice and cheesy, as you can see. Get that classic cabbage flavor. Cabbage is nice and tender. Then you get the cheese in there. Let's try a little bit of the beef and a piece of bacon. Dexter, I'm recording out here, buddy. Beef is nice and tender. Bacon seasons it well. That's really good, guys. Alright, there you have it. Beef, bacon, and cabbage casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.